BitMEX Trading App. The pros, the cons. The BitMEX Trading App is a well-known platform for derivatives and leverage crypto trading. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just another exchange, but the surprising truth is that BitMEX is highly specialized for professional traders looking to maximize returns. Pros include access to futures and perpetual contracts, high leverage options, and advanced charting tools. Security is strong with two-factor authentication and cold storage. The platform provides deep liquidity for major cryptocurrencies, ideal for high-volume trades. Cons include high complexity for beginners, potential risk of liquidations with leverage, and limited spot trading options. Fees can be high for inactive accounts or margin trades. In conclusion, the BitMEX Trading App is perfect for professional traders seeking leverage and derivatives. It is not recommended for beginners, but for those who understand the risks, it offers advanced tools and market access.